Hello everyone, Rinka here. In last class of neural control and coordination, we have discussed about what is coordination, homeostasis, simplest type of neural system and advanced type of neural system, etc. Today we'll continue with a structure of neuron. So let's start. A structure of neuron. It consists of mainly three types, that is cell body or cytosol, dendrites, and axon. Main parts of neuron. And apart from this, there consist of nasal granules, then nucleus, which are present inside cell body, Schwann cell, which helps in synthesis of myelin sheath, then myelin sheath itself, node of Ranvier, axon terminal, and synaptic node. For diagram purpose, you can open the NCERT 11th, this chapter, that is neural control and coordination. Then see, this is the main cell body or cytosol of the neuron. Then dendrites, these are afferent in nature. That is, they brought the signals from outside the cell to the cell body. These are axon, efferent in nature. That is, they provide the signal to the other cells, that is outside from the cell body or cytosol. Nasal granules are made up of endoplasmic reticulum plus ribosome, and it helps in protein synthesis. Nucleus, you all know, the center of cell. Schwann cell synthesizes the myelin sheath. This is the myelin sheath itself, that is insulating layer. This is node of Ranvier, that is the portion where myelin sheath are absent. Helps in conduction of nerve impulse. Axon terminal is the terminal part of axon, which contains synaptic nerve, and this contains neurotransmitters. Which are either excitatory or inhibitory in nature. Examples of excitatory neurotransmitters include acetylcholine, and inhibitory are dopamine. Now we'll see the structure of human neural system. human neural system. Neural system. It is mainly divided into two parts, that is CNS, central nervous system, and PNS, that is peripheral nervous system. CNS is composed of brain and a spinal cord in humans. PNS is the network of nerve which connects CNS to body organs. It is composed of cranial nerve, which are 12 pairs in number, and a spinal nerve, which are 31 pairs in number. Cranial nerve you can write here. Cranial nerves are divided into three types, that is sensory, motor, and mixed type. And all the spinal nerves are only mixed in nature. Further, PNS are divided into two types, that is autonomic nervous system and somatic nervous system. This is PNS divided into autonomic nervous system or ANS, also called as visceral nervous system. System of VNS. Then these are somatic nervous system, that is SNS. All the autonomic nervous system are involuntary in nature. That is, they control the actions of involuntary organs like heartbeat, BP, etc. SNS or somatic nervous system controls the action of voluntary organs. That is, movements of skeletal muscles. That is limbs, etc. Now we'll discuss some basic points regarding how CNS, PNS and brain are connected. Let's suppose this is the brain. Or CNS. Here this is involuntary organs. So this system this is the sensory or operant in nature. And the system works in a autonomic nervous system. So this system is somatic nervous system. These are effector or motor in nature. And provide signal to skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles. Now these are the small soft topics like what is nerve fibers. Note what is nerve fiber. Nerve fiber, then nerve, then nuclei, and then ganglia. Nerve fibers are single nerve cell. The nerves, that is bundle of nerve fibers. The nuclei are collection of cytosol. Cytosol in peripheral nervous system, and ganglia are the same in central nervous system. With this discussion, we will complete and finish the lecture today, and in next class we will discuss about the detail of the human neural system and control, impulse conduction, etc. Thank you so much everyone.